Hi, this is not a new tutorial, but this is basically the issue that I faced with this tutorial that I was watching, and
That looks much better.
it's
Now, I'll take a second to just make...
it's a pretty good tutorial, but it didn't work for me, so I'm just gonna address all those issues that I had to fix and that were not mentioned in the tutorial itself. So it's, I was building the very first application on in Android Studio. Let me come to the code where it was giving me problems. Okay, so come here. Okay, so the first thing is that when you click um, a view or a button, in this case for example, and you click on the, where are the attributes. Okay, here, so if we select this one, and the Android Studio might complain that you cannot select a text directly in the text box, so it would recommend that you use a variable. So you simply choose that, and it will automatically put this string here, that is add string / button, and these variables are actually stored here in string.xml. So here is the name, which is the button, and here is the text, which is the role. But you don't have to do it. For example, in this case, the text simply says how many, so it did not use variable. But again, I think that shows the same thing hard-coded, how many, which is not a good practice. So you can simply ignore that as well. The other thing is that when you write this code, and in my case it didn't work, and the reason was that I had to include these three classes. So I had to do these manually. Without these, your code is going to give you some errors and it will not work accordingly. The third point that I had to fix is when you click on this button, it may not actually show the output, because first of all you have to click on this button, which is simulates Nexus 5X. So in this case, you click this one, and it takes a good amount of time to actually start. In this case, it's not starting because I have only 3 GB of memory left in my hard drive, and it's just giving me not enough memory. But first you have to select this one, and it's going to take a good 2-3 minutes to start, and then you click on this play button, and then you will see the output. So these 3 items that you should be aware of when you run your first application, because sometimes it doesn't give up, and I'm just going to give you some help so you can get started with Android Studio. Thank you.